At acceptance, the question is not whether the cell can weld. Start with clamping. The part is held between headstock and tailstock. Arc start points have to reproduce, and that is the first record item. Starting from the same place is what makes batches comparable later. Long seams run in segments. How many segments and where the tie-ins fall belongs in the record. After indexing, the part has to be located again. Positioner return accuracy is the item most often skipped at acceptance. Crater positions and their order belong in the record too. Each changeover repeated is another entry to keep. Penetration, appearance, grade, and verdict are not visible in this footage. They follow the acceptance standard. Send the drawing and the standard you work to.